Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you have the correct Turnitin class and assignment ready, because accurate context changes similarity baselines. Once done, choose file type and repository. Make sure student permission and late settings match policy. Next, upload the document directly or use batch upload for multiple files. As you upload, check the file name and student identifiers so Turnitin associates the paper with the right student. This prevents misattribution and speeds up similarity checks immediately. Once the paper is in Turnitin, enable both similarity and AI check for that assignment so you evaluate both text overlap and machine-generated signals. After submission, watch the processing indicator. Results arrive asynchronously, so reload the inbox when ready. Then open the similarity report to inspect match sources and anchor quotes, and open the AI report to see flagged passages and confidence scores. Make sure to cross-reference high similarity passages with citations and flagged AI phrases with writing style context. You now interpret both reports together. Treat similarity percentage as a starting point, not a verdict, and look for uncited direct text or unusual phrasing. Once done, use AI flags as cues to ask clarifying questions with the student rather than assuming intent. Then export PDF reports and save instructor notes in the gradebook. Make sure to record any academic integrity decisions. If processing stalls, clear browser cache or requeue the submission, and contact Turnitin support if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.